Tezos value equivalent to 23.673 rands a coin. The present cost range 22.2030 23.94 and 19. The earlier day close 23.76.94. The change was 0.521 to 11%. Converse rate ZAR to XTZ. Tezos cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 30.25 rands. Exorbitant cost 31.22, while low cost 27.14. They found the middle value of cost 29.45. Tezos cost estimate toward the months end 29.18. Change for August 3.5%. Tezos estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 29.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 36.22, while low cost 29.18. They found the middle value of cost 30.11. Tezos cost estimate toward the months end 33.85. Change for September 16%. Tezos cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at 33.85 rands. Excessive cost 40.9, while low cost 33.85. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 36.32. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 37.47. Change for October 10.7%. Tezos conjecture for November 2024. Before all else cost at 37.47 rands. Excessive cost 43.91, while low cost 37.47. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 39.97. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 41.04. Change for November 9.5%. Tezos cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset cost at 41.04 rands. Excessive cost 43.61, while low cost 37.91. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 40.83. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 40.76. Change for December's on 7%. Tezos conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at 40.76 rands. Excessive cost 40.76, while low cost 33.49. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 37.76. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 36.01. Change for January 11.7%. Tezos cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at 36.01 rands. Excessive cost 37.46, while low cost 32.56. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 35.26. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 35.01. Change for February 2.8%. Tezos figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 35.01 rands. Excessive cost 38.03, while low cost 33.05. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 35.41. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 35.54. Change for Spring 1.5%. Tezos cost expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at 35.54 rands. Exorbitant cost 37.09, while low cost 32.23. They found the middle value of cost 34.88. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 34.66. Change for April 2.5%. Tezos gauge for May 2025. Before all else cost at 34.66 rands. Excessive cost 34.66, while low cost 29.62. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 32.70. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 31.85. Change for May 8.1%. Tezos cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at 31.85 rands. Excessive cost 32.64, while low cost 28.37. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 30.84. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 30.50. Change for June 4.2%. Tezos conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at 30.50 rands. Excessive cost 36.64, while low cost 30.50. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 32.97. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 34.24. Change for July 12.3%. Tezos cost expectation for August 2025. At the outset cost at 34.24 rands. Excessive cost 42.50, while low cost 34.24. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 37.68. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 39.72. Change for August 16%. Tezos figure for September 2025. Initially cost at 39.72 rands. Excessive cost 43.19, while low cost 37.53. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 41. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 40.36. Change for September 16%. Tezos cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at 40.36 rands. Excessive cost 43.88, while low cost 38.14. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 40.85. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 41.01. Change for October 16%. Tezos figure for November 2025. Before all else cost at 41.01 rands. Excessive cost 44.39, while low cost 38.59. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 41.37. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 41.49. Change for November 2%. Tezos cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at 41.49 rands. Exorbitant cost 44.41, while low cost 38.60. But found the middle value of cost 41.50. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 41.50. Change for December 0%. Tezos gauge for January 2026. To start with cost at 41.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 41.50, while low cost 34.52. They found the middle value of cost 38.66. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 37.12. Change for January 10.6%. Tezos cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at 37.12 rands. Exorbitant cost 46.7, while low cost 37.12. They found the middle value of cost 40.84. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 43.06. Change for February 16%. Tezos gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 43.06 rands. Exorbitant cost 46.81, while low cost 40.69. They found the middle value of cost 43.58. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 43.75. Change for spring 16%. Tezos cost expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 43.75 rands. Exorbitant cost 47.56, while low cost 41.34. They found the middle value of cost 44.28. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 44.45. Change for April 16%. Tezos estimate for May 2026. At the outset cost at 44.45 rands. Excessive cost 48.32, while low cost 42,000. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 44.98. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 45.16. Change for May 16%. Tezos cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at 45.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 47.85, while low cost 41.59. They found the middle value of cost 44.83. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 44.72. Change for June 1%.